Hey everybody, this is Dan Mo Flow coming at you in Big Bear. Just dodging potholes on this boulevard as we go check on some creeks and streams. We've got a lot of flow coming down from the mountains with the rain we had recently, as well as snow melt. And currently it's about 47 degrees, but it was a high of 50 today. So that definitely contributes to a lot of the snow melting and water flowing. And guess what, folks? That's all going towards the lake, or into the lake. It's going to the lake. That's a really good thing. We're happy about that. So yeah, I'm gonna go check out a few spots. Why don't you come with me? This is Grout Creek in Fawnskin on the North Shore. And it is flowing so good right now. That is such an amazing thing to see. Especially this early in the year, this early in the season. Once the snow really starts to melt, it's going to be flowing even harder. I would have to be yelling in order to be heard over the sound of the water rushing. Let's go see what the other side looks like. It is just a beautiful day in Big Bear, more specifically in Fawnskin. Just gonna take you for a little stroll down this road, trying to get better access to the lake, of course without trespassing on any private property. But in the meantime, I'm just enjoying these beautiful views, this warm sun on my face, enjoying it while it lasts before the rain comes in later today and tomorrow, and then maybe some snow on Wednesday. But I sure do love living here. Every day I'm thankful for. Just wanted to show you this house. This is why folks have metal roofs, so that snow just slides off, but look how high it is. It's almost 3/4 of the way up that garage door. You can barely see it. That's amazing. Wow, we've just got some gorgeous birds making their song as we come through. I've heard chickadees, I've heard finch, I've heard blue jay, I've heard what I believe is either a northern flicker or, might be an acorn woodpecker. If you guys know any of the sounds that you're hearing and can identify them by sound alone, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think they are. All right, we made it over to farther downstream on Grout Creek, looking at a bunch of beautiful mallards, and hard to tell from here, but possibly other varieties of dabbling ducks. You're hearing the red-tipped blackbird song, as well as a stellar jay, that one being the blackbird that you just heard. I have paddleboarded up to about where those ducks are many years ago, but it was when this creek had already calmed down a little bit and stopped flowing. But the water was about up this high, and it's so fantastic to see it running so strongly down towards the lake. Well, here is a nice little flow coming from the south shore up in the mountains, the creek that runs alongside Starvation Flats, and I must say it's flowing really well. This must be one of the main ones that's filling up the pond here. Oh wow, now we can really see how it looks over there. That is a lot of water compared to last week. There was hardly any water in there. Still got a lot to go. In big years, big water years, it will get up to where it's kind of hard to see, but you see where the water lines are right there? That's where the water will get up to on those pylons of the boardwalk that goes over the water. There's a reason why those are raised up. Let's go get a better look at the wide view and see how much water is in the main part. Would you look at that? Look at all that water. Well, that's a good sign because the water is flowing from Standfield Marsh into the lake. And at this point, I think the lake needs it more. Look at that beautiful view. As this next storm rolls in, we're expecting a little bit of rain, or maybe a lot of rain, time will tell. And on the tail end of that, there should be a few inches of snow. Not expecting a bunch, but some is better than none. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video. I really appreciate you tuning in today. This was more of a lake-based episode. We'll call it Lake Level Episode 1 or something like that. I'll figure it out later in the descriptions. And tune in next time for more information about Big Bear, updates, reports, and you might see me up on the ski resorts pretty soon because I'm sure you want to see a little bit of that, but feel free to drop a comment below and let me know what you do want to see because I read all the comments and I respond to all of them as well. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.